Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. My name is Mack Wilds, and welcome to my ghetto-ass kitchen. Today, we will be making Mima's famous red velvet cake. Okay, guys. So first thing we do, sugar and the vegetable oil. We start our wet bowl. There's 2 bowls, dry, wet. We start the wet bowl. About 2 cups of sugar. Eggs, buttermilk, now this part is the fun part, right? Because you get to kind of decide how red you want your stuff. Do you want it like super red, or do you want it like just a little bit red? Now we mix all of these. I don't know about y'all, right? It's fucking horrible. Like whenever I'm cooking, especially baking, I always have like drug dealer thoughts. Like I'm like, man, I'm baking cake. Like I play Pusha T in the background, everything. Like the whole cook it down, cook it down. It's crazy. Oh, wait. It's time for the secret ingredient. Both of y'all, sorry. So now, for the dry bowl, we need about 2 cups. I know one helps rise, and the other one is, don't give me the line. I just know this is what Mima told me to do. And if you grew up in a black household, if you don't do what your mother tells you to do, I ain't even gotta say nothing. That's the tweet right there. Now, funny thing about red velvet cake, right? A lot of people don't realize that it's actually chocolate cake. Did you know that? Did you know that's actually chocolate cake? Now you whisk a little bit. Get everything kind of together. All right, y'all. Now, the dry bowl in, and slowly but surely, start adding our wet bowl. So now we gotta get the bottom non-stick, right? Let's pour it down. So now with this, we put this in the oven that we have preheated to 350. If you're like me, you wanna make everything from scratch. Cream cheese frosting. It's a time that we all love. You love it, I love it. It's the whip time. So you don't have a good whip game unless you can whip forward and backwards. A lot of niggas be on some like, nah, you gotta do it both ways. You gotta cook, boy. You gotta cook. Also, if you wanna add just a little extra pizzazz, you get some, one of your favorite nuts, if you don't have a nut allergy. You know, a walnut, a pecan, something. Usually pecans for me. How do you do it? I mean, the walnuts are kind of like so full, right? This is the fun part. Hope you understand, because I'm baking right now and doing this, I don't have to go to therapy this week, so I appreciate you guys. And there we go, guys. It is time to see if I made my mother proud or not. hit it with the frosting. Again, you're supposed to let it cool off a little bit so the frosting stays thick, but we ain't got time for all that. A little bit of garnish. Hit it, just right. And voila, you have my mother's famous red velvet cake. We didn't use enough red in it. We should have used way more red, but this is the red velvet cake. And if you like it, hopefully, well, you guys aren't here to try it. It's too bad. So I'll try it myself. Oh, and a very, very big shout out to CinematicTV. This is Follow My Recipe. You guys are watching me, Mack Wilds, eat my famous red velvet cake. It's crazy, because I usually don't even get a chance to get a piece. But today I am.